Say hello to the Apple iPad in stunning space gray, a device designed to redefine how you work, play, and stay connected. Let's start with the display. This 10.2-inch Retina display is simply breathtaking. With True Tone technology, it adapts to your environment for a more natural viewing experience. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, editing photos, or simply browsing, the vibrant colors and sharp details will amaze you. Under the hood, it's powered by the A13 Bionic Chip with neural engine. But what does that mean for you? It means faster performance for multitasking, smoother gaming, and even better AI features. Switching between apps is effortless, so you can go from work to entertainment without missing a beat. Let's talk cameras. The 8MP wide-back camera is perfect for capturing stunning photos and videos, while the 12MP ultra-wide front camera takes your video calls to the next level. With Center Stage, the front camera keeps you perfectly framed, no matter how much you move. Great for staying connected with friends, family, and even colleagues. Need storage? The iPad offers options up to 256 gigabytes, giving you all the space you need for your photos, files, apps, and favorite movies. No more worrying about running out of room. Sound matters too. With stereo speakers, your music, movies, and games come to life. Whether you're streaming your favorite playlist or watching the latest blockbuster, the sound is immersive and crystal clear. Lightweight, sleek, and portable, the Apple iPad is your perfect companion. From productivity to creativity, it adapts to your lifestyle. Pair it with the Apple Pencil or Smart Keyboard, and you've got a mini workstation wherever you go. All this for just £203. That's right, premium quality at an affordable price. So what are you waiting for? Tap the subscribe button and click the link in the description to get your hands on the Apple iPad 10.2-inch today. Transform your everyday into something extraordinary.